Hello everyone! Welcome to a new episode of Bo's Slow English. In today's episode, we are going to explore New York City. Yay! I love this city and I can't believe I haven't filmed here yet for you. Before we get started, please click like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. And if you're interested in sounding like a native English speaker, check out my ebooks and video courses. The link is below. I am currently in my hotel room. We arrived here yesterday afternoon. We flew from Los Angeles to New Jersey, and then we took a cab from Newark, New Jersey to Manhattan in New York City. I was jet lagged yesterday because we had to get up at 3 a.m. for our flight early in the morning. With all the walking around you do in New York, it is easy to get a little bit tired. So on top of being jet lagged, I was ready to crash in bed when we got back to the hotel room. I talked about jet lag in a previous video when I was in Boston. It means that your body and your brain needs to adjust to the time zone or from traveling. Even though New York is only 3 hours ahead of Los Angeles, because I had to get up early, I was jet lagged. Let me show you the view from my hotel window. This is not the best view because some of these buildings look really run down. Run down means old and not maintained or taken care of. But you can see some of the high rises back there. I don't know if you can tell, but it is raining today. I did not come too prepared for the rain. So right now the rain is, I would call it drizzling because it is just lightly raining. I have a little hoodie on my sweater. I'm wearing a trench coat. It has a little bit of a waterproof material, but I think I will have to wear my poncho. Here is a poncho. Have you ever worn one of these in the rain? It is a large jacket, more of like an overcoat. You wear it on top of your clothes to protect from the rain. I really like this one because it's black, and usually ponchos are clear or yellow. I know the hotel room is really messy right now, but I wanted to show you how small the hotel rooms can be in New York. So we have the office desk. This bed is, I believe, a queen-sized bed. This is a lamp. Some blackout curtains, which means that when we close the curtains at night, it completely shuts out the light. Here is a full body mirror. This is I think they call it a conjoining door, which links to the other hotel room. So if we had some guests or family members and we wanted to stay close to them, we could open this door and then they would open their side of the door so we can meet up. This is the hallway and that's the bathroom. My husband went out to get me some green tea. Oh no, the green tea is leaking everywhere. I wonder why. I need to continue packing up my belongings because we are going to check out today. It was a short trip to New York. After we check out of our hotel, we are going to Penn Station, which is the train station. We will take the train about 2 hours south to my hometown, which is Baltimore, Maryland. We are going to get picked up by my best friend's husband, and then we are going to eat French food. I'm so excited. I meant to tell you this in the beginning of the video. As you know, I am playing around with different caption and subtitle options for my videos. Some of you want the captions at the top so that you can have your translation below, but a lot of you want captions below. Some of you want them to be in a discrete font, which means a font that is a little bit hidden. Some of you want it to be more obvious, which means it is easy to see and read. And some of you want no subtitles at all, which is why for several videos I would ask you to turn on the YouTube caption in the settings. So I'm going back to adding captions, but I will put them in faint or discrete font below. And then I will see what people think. While I wait for my husband to finish getting ready, I will show you what I am packing. This is my camera bag. My camera goes in this compartment. Here is extended handle, which is also a battery pack. It comes with a mini tripod, so if I want to stand it up, I can, but I also like to use it as an additional handle. This cord allows me to charge, but also to connect to my laptop to upload my videos. This is an external hard drive. It allows me to have an additional way to back up or save my videos for extra security. And this is a word that a lot of Americans don't know. This is called a dongle. So this piece gets plugged into my laptop. And the reason for the dongle is my computer only has USB-C ports. And some of my devices require the regular USB ports. So this is an adapter or like an extension to my laptop. This little USB connects to my mouse at home. It is a Bluetooth connection. I have some pills. They are called digestive enzymes. So when I eat heavy foods, I take them and it helps with my stomach. I have my Apple charger. I wanted to show you this football jersey because tomorrow we are going to the football stadium. It is my hometown team called the Baltimore Ravens versus my husband's team, which is Los Angeles Rams. So he's going to the football game for the very first time. I'm outside and I can't bring the camera out because it's raining. Surprise, there's my husband. I am being very careful with making sure my camera is under the umbrella. We're walking along this road which has a lot of French shops. So I think they call it Little Paris here. I'm doing my best to stay covered as well. This shop ahead is called Italy. I have filmed in the Los Angeles location before. They have Italian food and it's also a market. This area that we're staying in is called Soho, which means it is south of Houston. Houston is the name of a street. We're going to have brunch at this restaurant. Hi, can we get a table for two, please?
Give us one moment.
Yes, no problem. Thank you. Okay, thank you. We're sitting at the bar.
Hi friends.
Hello.
You're going to refill your water bottle, but did you want any coffee or tea as well, or just the water?
We'll look at the menu. This chair is really wobbly. We're at a restaurant called Citizens, and it is an Australian-style restaurant. They're known for their breakfasts. And in Australia, they call breakfast brekkie. There is no city like New York. If my husband were to choose where to live in the United States, he would 100% choose New York. I teach English.
What do
You want to be on camera? Let's ask our server what she loves about New York.
I've been here. I'm not a native. Oh, love. I'm not a native New Yorker. I didn't grow up here. I moved here 3 years ago, and it still finds ways to surprise me every day. It gives me new things to love every day, and I think it's fun. And also, I'm a professional dancer, and I love that I can just choose from 100 bajillion dance classes every day.
What kind of dancing do you do?
I'm trained in everything. I mostly live in the theater jazz world, but sometimes I wake up and I want to learn flamenco or hip hop or how to Vogue. That is still very new to me, so don't judge me if you see me in a room.
That was so nice of her to come on my channel. It is buzzing in here. I'll just do a quick little look around. Once we receive our brunch, I will show you what we've ordered, and then I will cut the video and make a new one to show you the rest of the city before we head to Baltimore on the Amtrak train. Let's ask my husband, what do you love most about New York?
The fast pace, the hip hop culture, and the fashion.
What does fast-paced mean?
I think because everything is condensed here, you see everybody on the move, going to work, going to school, going to walk their dogs. There's just a lot of energy here that I prefer over Los Angeles that seems to be too laid back for my personality.
For those of you who are new to my channel, my husband does not like to be on camera, so that is why I had the camera on me and not on him. My husband got his food. It is yogurt with chia seed pudding, blueberries, strawberries, banana, and granola. He ordered a side of toast with jam or jelly and butter. I got toast with poached eggs, butter, avocado, and a side salad. Ah, I need the umbrella. I'm stepping over the puddle. We have to scurry back to the hotel to check out, and they were kind enough to extend our checkout time. So normally the checkout time is 11 a.m., but they were able to extend it to 12:30 at no charge. Our bags will be held at the front desk until we are ready to depart for the train station. We're back at the hotel room, and now we have to finish packing. I'm going to close up this video, then I will film more as we are walking around the city. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And if you're interested in learning English with me, check out the link in the description below for my ebooks and video courses. Thank you for your time. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!